right, team. Operation Wrecking Ball is a go!
Oh, time for some brick smashing fun.
Safety checks complete. All clear, mostly.
Excellent! Let's get that wrecking ball warmed up!
Woohoo! Demolition time!
Remember, Max, slow and steady on the controls.
Got it, Bella. Smooth as silk. My time to shine. You got this, Max. Bring down that old shack. Engaging. Nice and smooth, Max. Just a little more.
Good, good. That's a perfect test swing.
Time for the main event. Oh, that's it, Max. Right on target.
Yes. First hit, perfect.
Good work, Max. Who's the wrecking master? Let's try a trick shot. Wait, that's not the building.
Max, what are you doing?
That was...
What's that wing over town? Attack the town's only mailbox.
Oops. Oh. Uh-oh. That wasn't supposed to happen. Zap! It's broken! It's going haywire!
Max, shut it down!
I can't! It's not responding! Everyone stand clear!
This is bad, really bad.
No, no, no! Run, Bella, run!
My safety manual didn't cover the S.
Please stop! Please! It's loose!
Everyone scatter!
Oh, that's new. Order up. N-O.
This is a disaster!
An unplanned city beautification project.
Are we still friends?
Woof! We have to stop it! Emergency Protocol Delta 9.
I'm coming too. I started this mess.
Max, stay close!
Trying my best. Such lovely blooms today. My prize Winnie petunias.
It's getting faster!
I need a clear shot!
Now or never!
Pull! Everyone pull!
Hold tight, Leo!
Whoa!
Centrifugal force! Less science, more stopping!
This lamppost isn't OSHA approved for this!
The dumpster! Aim for the dumpster!
Are you sure, Max?
It's our best shot!
That was close!
Too close!
I did it!
You did stop it, Max!
After destroying half the city.
Well, the old building is gone, and the city has. More open space now?
Next time, Max, we're sticking to the manual!
Still, impressive work, Max. Very thorough. What can I say? I'm a natural. I'm a natural.
Next time, maybe we'll use a hammer.
Or just ask nicely.